intake. Today I'm going to go over the basic concept of the spark ignition system. Alright, basically this whole thing is run off the crankshaft, which will be down here. The crankshaft sensor is plugged in right about here. It goes off the timing chain you see right here. And this is going to turn the camshaft, which the sensor for that is right here. And these are going to turn, and they got the camshaft bearings right in here that help lubricate it so it won't get super hot and blow everything up. These are going to turn these little valve springs inside. You can't see them, but it helps put the fuel inside. The spark plugs, which ignite the fuel system inside the pistons, are going to go right in here where my finger is, right in there. And this is a fuel rail, which is going to squirt fuel into the cylinder, so when everything sparks up, it's going to push the cylinder back down. And the next thing we're going over to is this intake manifold. You see, get the throttle body is right here. And the other components you can't see in this engine, we're going to show you on these other two right here. So we're going to go over these right here. Now, there's some things that some engines have that some other engines don't. This one, unlike that inline 4 dual overhead cam right here that I should have mentioned earlier, this has rocker arms. Now, the difference between this one and the inline engine is there's supposed to be, which this one doesn't have for some reason, a push rod that goes in and it touches the cam. When the cam turns over, pushes the push rod and pushes in this valve spring. This is automatically done over here. This timing chain of the cam. Things you can't see in this engine, well, you can see it right here. This would be for the main cylinder. Right here is the cylinder. Alright. Now these right here are your cylinder walls. These cylinders can be either, you can bore them, which is you would increase the surface area right here in the circular part, or you can stroke it, which is what I'm doing in my Alchemy. That's when the amount of the distance between top dead center and bottom dead center is increased, making the space in the engine bigger. This, see, this is the crankshaft, which drives the pistons. Part you can fully see now. I wish I could turn the crank, I can't. Everything, all the pistons aren't going to look the same, but this is basically what the inside of each cylinder is going to look like. Now, normally you'd have a head gasket, which is over there, which I'm not going to bring over. That would go over this to prevent heating and cracking and other types of leaks. And this is everything that I can go over with the spark ignition system with these three.